If you have 250 tabs open in your mind at the same time, you need to watch this. If you are busy but really calm, if you are productive but mentally exhausted. For me, I didn't realize I was anxious. I would finish my day and still feel like I forgot something. I would sit down to relax, but my brain would start organizing things I'm gonna do tomorrow, or maybe in December, or a picnic, or maybe the call I'm gonna make day after tomorrow. It's just constant noise. It's never relaxed. And I'm not just thinking about one thing, I'm thinking about so many things at the same time. That's why I said 250 tabs at the same time, all open, all running. And most of the time, I bet people around us thinks that we are doing really well. We're laughing, we're creating, and I myself in last 1 year grew my Instagram from 0 to 35k. So that happened. So it's not that much visible to other people, but for me, I was kind of tired of carrying my thoughts with me everywhere, in the bathroom, in the kitchen, in my own room, if I'm going out on a walk, if it's a meeting, if it's any kind of work. I'm literally thinking about tomorrow, day after tomorrow, 5 years from now. Most of the time, our solution is to add things, some exercise or a walk or yoga or some kind of food. We always add things, which is like cluttering our life even more. I'm not saying that yoga doesn't work, the exercise doesn't work, but just hear me out. For me, I didn't add things. I started removing. I didn't add a self-help book. I didn't add a new routine. I was already overwhelmed. Why would I do that to myself? I start removing things. I start removing thoughts. I told myself again and again, I am not doing that much. For example, if I go outside and walk, it will going to calm me down. But I didn't add an hour. I wouldn't tell my brain, oh, let's go for a walk for 1 hour. But no, I said, no, I'm going to declutter. I'm going to remove things. I'm going to remove 1 hour and I'm going to do just 5 minutes or maybe just 10 minutes or maybe just in my room I will walk. If I tell my brain, I'm not burdening it with more work. It's just, I'm not doing that heavy thing. I'm not adding that extra routine. I'm not adding yoga. I will just do some stretches. So it's making things simple, decluttering again and again and again. Even my art changed. For example, in the starting, I used to paint to stay relevant. For example, once you make an Instagram page, it's like, oh, I have to post every day. I have to make some kind of content every day. But no, you don't have to. Now I paint once a week. Sometimes it's finished, sometimes it's unfinished, it's half done, and that's okay, but it's honest. I realized that anxiety is not asking me to work harder, it's asking me to slow down. It's asking me to take care of myself. And when I say slow down, it's slow down without feeling guilty. You cannot be resting and then feeling guilty at the same time. If you are busy but really calm, if you are productive but mentally exhausted, maybe nothing is wrong with you, but it's just sometimes your life needs less noise. Simplicity isn't quitting life. It's choosing a version of yourself that's not draining your energy constantly. One major problem is not being able to sleep because, again, all those tabs running in our brain. So one thing that I realized is take a piece of paper, write down everything that is going on in your brain. You don't have to make a diary. You don't have to romanticize it or say things. Oh, no. Just take a piece of paper, write down the things you didn't do today that are running in your brain. Or if you're worried about tomorrow, then write down those things that you're going to do tomorrow. Just write them down physically and you will see the difference. You don't have to do it for months. Just do it for a week and you will see the difference. How it's like closing those tabs, just like we close in the computer and it stops hanging so much. In case of anxiety, I have realized that we have to accept the slow healing. You know, every time we go to doctor and we're like taking 2 doses and it's like, oh, I'm not okay, dawai kaam nahi kar rahi hai. But in case of anxiety, slow healing is best. It's not going to go overnight. It will take time. Decluttering our brain, decluttering our life, our habits, it will take time. So yeah, it will be a slow healing, but it will be a good healing. For your normal anxiety or anxiousness, do these things. But if you are dealing with a clinical anxiety, do let me know if I should make a video on that. Or if you have any tips to deal with your anxiety, do let me know in the comments. I'd love to read them. I'd love to learn something new. Also, subscribe to my channel.